Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into urbanclothinglondon.com. If you're into t-shirts, hoodies, and pretending you're about to drop the hottest drill album of the year, this site might have popped up on your radar. But the big question is it actually legit or just another digital mirage? Let's start with the positives, because we like to be nice before the storm. Their customer support seems surprisingly accessible, offering an email, a phone number, and even a physical address. In an era where most contact us pages are just a black hole for your grievances, seeing a real phone number is a breath of fresh air. They've also linked their Facebook page to show they're at least trying to stay visible. It's almost as if they want us to believe they're a real company. But here is where the vibe shifts from urban cool to red flag parade. While the website looks professional, it's suspiciously missing any customer reviews. It turns out their customers are either incredibly shy or don't exist, because when we checked Trustpilot, the feedback was a disaster. They're sitting on a majestic 2.6 stars, with most users complaining about receiving low-quality items or getting the silent treatment from customer service. Some people were so frustrated they even reported the site to trading standards. Honestly, receiving a 2.6-star rating is the retail equivalent of a participation trophy that's been stepped on. To make matters worse, this site is newer than a New Year's resolution, having only been registered in December 2024. While being the new kid on the block isn't a crime, being the new kid who refuses to tell anyone who their parents are is definitely a choice. There is zero information about who owns or runs the business. No names, no history, nothing. Shopping here is essentially a blind date where your date might just run off with your credit card. Our verdict? The red flags are screaming. Shop with extreme caution, or better yet, just skip it altogether. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.